Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Njengoba sizizwile bafethu indaba ezinhle from i-coach e-Kaizer Chiefs uCedric ukuthi uDotley uyabuya this month phakathi nenyanga around i-15 or so uzoqala ukujima ne-team fully. This provides i-competition strong ku-defense e-Kaizer Chiefs. But as much as abuya uDotley, I don't think uzodlala immediately bafethu ukuthi bazomselect esquadini immediately. Kusamele catch up abe fit and then aqala ukudlala. Possibly maybe uDotley angadlala next year. Yeah. Or makubuye makuphela i-AFCON because of i-Betway Premiership izovalwa. Kaizer Chiefs just they say izodlala isalelwa ama-match nje ambalwa kuphela. End of November yiwo ama-fixtures wabo engiwabonile. Unless if amanye bayawa-move to early December, I'm not sure because of atlasha ne-CAF Confederations Cup. But yeah, uDotley uyabuya ethimini naye azolwela isikhala sakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi angakwazi ukucompete. Yabona le injury lena bafethu imbulela umfethu, like imbulele ngempela. Bekeza kahle even na last year uqale nokudlalela iBafana Bafana. I think it was late last year. Already kuBafana Bafana sedlala ama-match awu-6. Before lapho bedlala ku-South Africa under 23, yeah. Kaizer Chiefs wenza kahle kakhulu, wenze ibukwayo i-defense yakhe solid laphana at the back whenever he's playing. Uyambona ukuthi he was gaining confidence. At the time he was the only Kaizer Chiefs player laphana kuBafana Bafana and bekubonakala ngathi bayamthemba ngempela. But-ke i-injury yakhe vele yaqeda konke lokho. Manje-ke is down ule phansi in terms of ukuthi bamconcede to let's say i-World Cup because siyazi ukuthi i-AFCON ngeke bakwazi ukumbiza because iqala next month, right? But-ke mhlawumbe angakwazi ukulwela ispace sakhe ku-World Cup, but it's going to be very difficult because through ama-qualifications ba-select abantu aba-different. But yeah, uDotley bayamthemba in a way laphana kuBafana Bafana. But at the same time, yabona uma ulimale njengoDotley isikhathi eside kanje, you might come back, you might not come back. Ungabuya egroundini injury vele iqale phansi. Yazi injury yakhe the way inde ngakhona ngikompare nale injury ama-injuries kamdlali lo ebedlalela iMamelodi Sundowns ubani ukuthi into eyenzakalayo manje kuye bafethu ulimele futhi laphana kuSikhukhune United ejimini batraina naye bazama ukumsayina waphinde walimala. Angazi ethinteke ngakhe just this year kuphela ejimini kuphela. So let's hope noDotley it's not an injury ezokhosta ukuthi mhlawumbe agcine seka-retire or qeda i-career yakhe. But-ke he's still young. I think angakwazi ukurecover because of he's still 23. It's not like ukuthi uno-30 or uno-30 something. No, he's still young. If abanye they can recover, but bokuyi-injury nzima kakhulu for yena. But I'm glad ukuthi ubuyile umfana uzokwazi ukulwela ispace sakhe laphana. Kusiwuye kuphela obuyayo bafethu, obviously-ke uMsimango senesikhathi ebuyile just ukuthi ama-coach alinde isikhathi esi-right bam-introduce. Nopase Kamako naye ubuyile, is back laphana ku-left back uzolwa ku-position ye-left back bafethu. Yeah, ubani uDotley kuthiwa yini i-knee injury, yabona idolo ayikho into yabona ebholeni eyinkinga njengedolo, ayikho into ozoyenza phela idolo lakho kumele lingekho right. Yasithemba ukuthi ngeke lisaphinde limhluphe bafethu because of bangamthinta futhi egroundini iqalele phansi lento le. Simfisela inhlanhla. Yeah, what a long injury. I remember mangimbona ngoJuly ejima lapha ne-team. July bejima kusho ukuthi besasenama-pain because of July already bekubonakala ngathi uzobuya. Imagine from uJuly bafethu uyabuya because uze watravela ne-team eNetherlands nix ukubuya. Yeah, kunzima. uThomas Sweswe, if angazi noma niyamkhumbula bafethu, uThomas Sweswe player le-Kaizer Chiefs, kwakuyi-defender le-Kaizer Chiefs. So naye secommentile about nje i-mix laphana, i-defense mix laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi lese makubuya uDotley noGiven Msimang, ukuthi Given Msimang vele sebuyile, ukuthi kuzokwenzekani ngempela, ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izoshape kanjani, izomisa kanjani, izodlala kanjani. Uthi honestly-ke ucabanga ukuthi i-situation e-right kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi babe nama-defenders awu-5 ayi-quality laphana alwela i-sports laphana ethimini. Uthi-ke i-competition e-right kakhulu. Uthi-ke kuzobaphusha laphana ukuthi babe better nalaba abadlalayo. Ama-players laphana abuya ku-injury nawo azolwela iy'ndawo zabo laphana ethimini. So ucoach-ke kuzoba i-decision ye-coach maybe ukuthi stick nale defender le eqale ngayo lapha usizini. Uthi-ke hey man no, uthi i-coach kumele i-stick-e to le defense leqale ngayo kusizini. Uthi laba abanye nje ababuyayo let's say from ama-injuries kumele balwele iy'pace zabo. Yeah, this makes sense bafethu. You can't just come back and then phakathi kuma-first starting 11. No, you have to earn your way up. That is why uma ngikhuluma ngoDodli ngithi kuDodli I think uyozadlale ngoJanuwari meyibuya late January meyibuya isizini after i-CAF. I-Kaizer Chiefs-ke obviously-ke idlala ku-CAF Confederations Cup. It's a demanding fixture plus no Betway Premiership kuyandizwa kuyiwa le nale. So it's gonna be very important ukuthi bamanage i-squad sabo, ne-energy ne-rotation. I'm reading by the way. Amakhosi-ke kumele adefende i-Nedbank Cup title yabo kazi bazokwazi ukuyidefenda sobona. Uyaqhubeka uThomas Sosel lana uthi ucabanga ukuthi-ke it's good ukuthi banama-options bangazama ama-different combinations and see ukuthi imaphi angcono for bona noma right azosebenzela i-team. Uthi but-ke i-bottom line ukuthi alikho iplayer kumele vele li-walk straight into i-first team after i-injury spell. Yeah. Yabona lento le i-right kakhulu lento ayisho ukuthi you can't come back from injury ungene straight, you have to fight your way up. Ufana no-Inacio Miguel uthintekile ku-injury, mayebuya ku-injury kwa-replace uKwinika obedlala kahle kakhulu. So naye u-Inacio Miguel bekumele alinde laphana ebhenchini ukuthi ba-drop ama-performances wabo, ezinye izinto zibulala i-team. Uyaqhubeka kuThomas Sosel laphana uthi uMiguel, uMcCarthy, uZitha they've shown ukuthi ama-capabilities wabo this season ukuthi badlala kahle kakhulu. Uthi challenge nje e-right for bona ukuthi ba-compete nanokuthi baziprove. Into ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi babe ne-team ekwaziyo ukukhompitha for izinto and uthi yiyo into ezobasiza ukuthi ba-drive to success. They will have to be flexible, work hard and make sure they are all on the same page abadlali laphana be-Kaizer Chiefs. Kuconclude uThomas Sosel bafethu okwayedlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, ama-spaces hayi kuzoliwa laphana kuzoba nzima kakhulu. It's not gonna be easy for ama-players a-different laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs okumele alwele i-space sabo. But they yeah, uDodli abanye ama-player agudi bafethu. Kufanele uDodli ugudi kakhulu, to be fair ugudi nje kakhulu. Akusukuthi akekho gudi but-ke obvious if uthola i-team enama-clean sheet, i-team engakoriwa, why would they just start him? Babe bene-team laphana egudi, ama-players are-talented, adelivayo, anama-clean sheets angaka this season already. So kumele aqalele emuva naye uDodli, as much as egudi akumelanga bamrashe futhi ukumbuyisa laphana esquadini se-Kaizer Chiefs. But kuzolala konke kulele kuwo-coach ukuthi bo-coach bazothini, bazo-react bathini ngama-players lawa abuyayo. But-ke I think mina i-Kaizer Chiefs, yeah, they are lucky ukuthi banama-defenders afana noDodli, noMsimango, I think banoKwinika. Banayo i-height yokucompete e-Africa because of e-Africa kufuneka i-height bafethu. Akufuneki ukuthi uyalazi nje ibhola ungabi ne-height. So banayo i-height laphana emuva abadlali abazokwazi ngempela ukubasiza ukuthi badefende kahle cause uma bedlala e-Africa bazodlala against ama-team thola ukuthi made, ama-player amade azoloku askora ibhola kakhulu. But sesibonile i-draw bazodlala nama-Egyptians. So ama-Egyptians awekho that tall compared to some African nations. And then bazodlala just ne-team yase-Zambia. But yeah, defense-wise they are good. Even striking department banabo abantu abazokwazi ukulwa. IKataro njengoba ngike ngakhuluma ngaye, uSilva naye unayo leyo nto leyo. Maybe uKhanyisa Maye ku-continental football kumele bamdlalise different position, whether i-10 or whether i-wing, ngoba abantu abaningi bayakhomenta noma bayakhuluma ngalokho. Uyakwazi ukufitha kuma-different position, hhayi ukuthi-ke avele astake lapha ezo-number 9 ku-continental level bazomthola kanjani isikhathi esiningi because of kumele badlale le phezulu isikhathi esiningi. And they can't play ibhola laphezulu, lonke ibhola kumele balihambise phansi if lese uMayo laphana emuva. Yeah. So okay, kuneplayer le-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu uXolani Xhosa edlala laphana eBotswana balonile, so i-Kaizer Chiefs bampromote umfana bamlona. So kuke kwaba nenkinga yakhe ngathi umfana u-injured egamini laphana, but-ke u-coach wakhe laphana Owen Dagama sekhulume ne-media ukubatshela ukuthi kwenzakalani ngomfana. Uthi-ke ube ne-concussion umfana, usesibhedlela. Uthi lucky-ke they have done i-CT scan and there's no serious injury. Uthi-ke Owen Dagama keeping him and doing more observations. They will follow all protocol. Uthi he may miss, uthi kusho ukuthi angeke adlale, he may miss the next game. Uthi-ke umfana omncane, uthi kumele bamprotect-e laphana. Mekhuluma ngaye nje uthi bekuyi-big blow ukuthi umfana angabi khona after-ke he came off, and then they went into the additional time. Uyaqhubeka uyakhuluma laphana Owen Dagama. So iplayer le-Kaizer Chiefs leli bafethu lidlala laphana elidlala laphana ku-Black Lions, elithintekile egamini la bebadlala khona ne-Mamelodi Center Chiefs, yes. If siwasho kahle amagama wabantu bafethu. Ujoyine vele ku-loan laphana ngo-August, wadlala ku-league waze wakora umfana, but-ke bekumele bamreplace after-ke ube ne-injury, i-concussion yakhona le abayishoyo. Asithembe ukuthi umfana uzoba right, ngeke abe nenkinga enkulu because of ezinye izinto kubonakala ngathi into nje, but-ke into igcine seyikulandelela for isikhathi eside. But yeah, ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs akuloni. Obani abanye bakuloni laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs? Happy Mashiane noZwane yibo abakuloni. They did not play the last game, so angifuni ukukhuluma ngo-Happy Mashiane kakhulu, but yeah, they're struggling to play laphana kuSwelele FC. Usi i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi izokuthatha kanjani lokho, nanokuthi izo-react-a kanjani abafana when i-opportunity presents itself ukuthi abafana kumele babuye ku-Kaizer Chiefs. It's not gonna be easy ukucompete emathimini amancane because of compete nabantu aba-hungry, but-ke they gotta keep fighting abafana for their spaces ukuthi bakwazi ukubuya ethimini u-Kaizer Chiefs nokulwela iy'khala zabo. Yeah. And then abanye-ke laba baku-D_D_C team. I-D_D_C team yaku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, they are preparing ukutravel ukuthi baye le eNgilandi bazodlala namhlanje. Yeah, bazodlala namhlanje. Then maybe by the time ngiphosta lento bazobe sebadlalile, but sobona. But yeah, they are preparing for a-trip yokuya le eNgilandi ukuthi bodlala ezama-champions wase-South Africa. We'll see ukuthi bazophefoma kanjani khona, bazodlala kanjani cause eligini izinto azibahambeli kahle at all. But yeah, kulele kubo olokhunjana ubani oHlongwane ukuthi ba-present-e kahle cause of bazohamba ngeyi-25 bafethu. Bazohamba ngeyi-25 November, kuzobe kuyi-Tuesday. Baye lena eManchester, and then-ke they will be based, but most of their tours vele bazoba laphana bazodlala ne-Manchester United ngeyi-28 November, and then badlale ne-Leeds United ngeyi-2 December. Bazodlala nje amamesha awu-3, amamesha guaranteed ukuthi bazowadlala abafana. Let's hope ama-youngsters lawa azohamba aye laphana e-England azokwazi ukuzi-advertise-a kahle because of maningi ama-player adinga i-space laphana, nanokuthi azi-advertise nje kahle. But obvious ama-teams ama-player ane-first team contract, uDone Jansen, uThulani Mabaso, Naledi Hlongwane, uKabelo Nkwesa, and then khona uManqoba Zomena. I don't know if une-first team contract, but banokumbiza ku-first team. And then khona u-goalkeeper laphana uMokoena. Okay, ngizokhuluma ngabo different abafana laba abatravelayo man, abaku-reserve side. Yeah, I'll talk about them. Yeah, ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe. Asibambeni lana okwamanje. Abantu bayoze bakhale bathi ngenza into elong, but I think abanye abantu they prefer ukuthi ngenze ama-click amade ukuthi bakwazi ukulalela for isikhathi eside. Ngicela ukuyibamba la, danko.